Welcome to the English Listening Channel. Hello, everyone. Today's story is called At the Airport. In this video, you will follow a simple and slow story about Taylor and Sam at the airport. You will learn useful airport vocabulary. I will speak slowly and clearly. So, please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. Here is today's question. What is Taylor and Sam's gate number? The answer is in the conversation. Please write your answer in the comments section. All right, let's start.
Wow, the airport is so big. There are so many people here.
Yes, the airport is always busy. First, we need to find the check-in desk.
Check-in desk. What is a check-in desk?
The check-in desk is where we show our tickets. We give them our big bags there.
Oh, I see. We show our tickets and give them our bags. Where is our check-in desk?
We are flying with Blue Sky Airlines. Look, the Blue Sky Airlines check-in desk is over there. Let's go. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Where are you flying today?
We are flying to London.
Can I see your passports and tickets, please?
Yes, here are our passports and tickets.
Thank you. Are you checking any luggage today?
Luggage? Taylor, what does luggage mean?
Luggage means our bags. Our big bags and suitcases are our luggage.
Ah, luggage. Yes, we have 2 big suitcases.
Please put your suitcases on the scale.
Okay, here they are.
Thank you. Here are your passports and here are your boarding passes.
Boarding pass? Is this my ticket?
Yes, a boarding pass is a special ticket. We need the boarding pass to get on the plane.
Have a good flight.
Thank you.
Where do we go now, Taylor?
Now, we need to go through security.
Security? What do we do at security?
At security, they check our bags to keep everyone safe.
Please put your bags in the tray. Take off your jackets.
Okay, I will put my bag in the tray. I am taking off my jacket.
Do you have a laptop in your bag?
A laptop? Yes, I have a computer in my bag.
Please take out your laptop and put it in the tray.
Okay, I will take out my laptop.
Good job, Sam. Now walk through the metal detector.
Okay, I am walking through. Beep. Oh no.
Do you have coins in your pocket?
Yes, I have some coins.
Please put the coins in the tray and walk through again.
Okay, walking through again. No beep.
Great. Let's take our bags and go.
Security was easy. Where is the plane?
We need to find our gate. Let's look at the departure board.
Departure board. What is that?
The departure board is the big TV screen. It shows all the planes and times.
Oh, I see the big screen. The departure board.
Look for our flight. Blue Sky Airlines to London.
I see it. It says London. The gate number is 14. Gate 14.
Perfect. Gate 14. And look, it says on time.
On time?
Yes, on time means the plane is not late. It will leave at the correct time.
That is good news. Let's walk to gate 14. Here we are. Gate 14. There are many people waiting.
Good morning, everyone. We are now boarding the flight to London. Please have your boarding passes ready.
Boarding? What does boarding mean?
Boarding means getting on the plane. It is time to get on the plane.
Yay, here is my boarding pass.
Thank you. Enjoy your flight.
Let's find our seats. My seat is 12A, and your seat is 12B.
Here is row 12. Oh, I see. My seat is here.
I am sitting next to the window. I have a window seat.
A window seat. You can look outside. What about my seat?
Your seat is next to the walking path. It is called an aisle seat.
An aisle seat. Okay, I like the aisle seat. I can stretch my legs.
We made it. We're on the plane.
That was fun. I learned a lot of new words today.
What did you learn, Sam?
I learned check-in desk. That is where we show our tickets. I learned luggage. Luggage means our big bags.
Very good. What else?
The boarding pass is the special ticket to get on the plane. We took out my laptop at security.
Yes, security keeps us safe.
We found our plane at gate 14 on the departure board. And now you are in the window seat and I am in the aisle seat.
You remembered everything, Sam. You are ready to travel the world.
Yes, I am. I can't wait to go to London.
How was it? I hope this video helped you learn useful English words for the airport. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning. One more time. What is Taylor and Sam's gate number? Did you get it right? Please write your answer in the comments section. Writing complete sentences helps you practice real English output. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but practical tips for everyday situations. So, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and don't forget to like the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.